To start with, just click on the .exe file located in your local machine. So it will take you to the application home screen. Here you can see the menus as well as a create menu in the top header. So just click on the manufacturer. It will ask you for a confirmation and click on yes. So now this is the screen to create the manufacturer. You can see many fields over here: manufacturer name, address 1, address 2, landline number, fax, mobile, comments, all those things. So let's create a manufacturer now. Just some Mahindra India, and I'll enter some address opposite to IIMB Bangalore. I'll just enter some random number for a landline number. In the same way, I'll enter some random number for mobile. Some comments has been entered here. Here you can see 3 buttons: submit, clear and close. So like clear will clear off all the fields, but to create you will click on submit. So it will ask for you, are you sure to create this manufacturer? Just click on yes, and it will give you like manufacturer has been created successfully. Click on OK. So now once we created the manufacturer, just like let's just search. Okay, in search it is coming Mahindra India. So these are the details we have entered. So now you can see here is active on flag. So if I do the active manufacturer search, then my Mahindra is the created manufacturer is not displaying. The reason being is just click on the right click and modify that one. So here you can see a checkbox is active. This is just to indicate that this is the active manufacturer or active product or something. Just update that particular created manufacturer and click on yes. Okay, so that's been updated successfully. Now if you do active manufacturer, then it is getting listed out. So it's like always when creating a new one, it's better to have is active field, otherwise your search will get mixed up. A like search also we are having here. Okay. So like we have created the manufacturer here, and we have listed out, so everything is working fine. The next step is to create a vehicle. It will ask for confirmation, click on S, and here we have only 3 fields like vehicle name, comments, and is active. I'll just create XUV 500, which comes under the manufacturer of it's Mahindra manufacturer. So some version I'll enter, and some of the comments I'll enter, and here like the validation has been provided, like the vehicle name should be of maximum of 50 characters, and comments is of maximum 225 characters. So it will not allow you if you are entering more than that characters for these 2 fields, and vehicle name is mandatory field here. So like it has for W4, W6, W8 and W10. So I'll make it as a active vehicle and I'll click on submit. You want to create this vehicle? Yes. Vehicle created successfully. Okay. So let us check like okay, XUV 500 W10. Okay, to just to if you want to modify anything in the particular created vehicle, then you can always right click on that one, click on modify, and you can do any modifications. Maybe I'll just put XUV 500. I'll not put the version there. Yes, vehicle updated successfully. So now if you do it, is the changes has been reflected. So these are the previously created some of the test data vehicles. So like we have created vehicle and manufacturer. Now it's time to go and create a product for that particular vehicle or manufacturer. So just click on yes, and here you can see product name, product code, all those things. So let's create a product now. Okay, so to create a product, like I'll just put the product name as XUV, maybe seat covers or something. Yeah, that would be better. Seat cover, or maybe I can put leather seat cover. Yeah. Every product will come with some kind of unique code, so I'm just assuming this might be the code of that particular product. So manufacturer is a drop down here. If you it's getting listed out, we have created Mahindra India, and that is the manufacturer, and it is for the vehicle XUV 500. Yeah. Here maybe I can just put leather seat cover and it maps to vehicle. And here the cost price is something like which costs you while you are buying from your manufacturer or your supplier, and selling price is something like to which price you will sell it to the customer. So this will be like now I have entered 2500 and 2800 and rack is M11. It's kind of like where you have kept the product in your shop. So some kind of description which is not again a mandatory fields here, like I'll just put for XUV, and yes, it is an active product, so I'll click on that button and yes, submit. You want to create? Yes, I want to create. Okay, product created successfully. Okay, now if I do a search, then okay, my leather seat cover is coming here. Is it checking for the active product? Yes, it's an active product. And one more thing is you can search for a specific vehicle here. If I select XUV, then only the product related to the XUV are getting displayed. Here you can see one kind of info that is nothing but a cost price which is hidden here. Like this screen is visible to the customer, and here only selling price is visible and cost price is hidden. If you want to see the cost price, you can always check with info button. Okay, so if you right click on the created product, you can see these many options here. Click on the product transactions. Transactions, as of now we don't have anything, so okay, now I modify. While modifying means don't have to modify anything here. Okay, just now I have created the product, and let's procure the things here, because if you can see this particular field, it's 0 here. Units in stock means how many stock you have in your shop. So to get that increased, you have to procure some products to your shop. So just select on any supplier, Okay, I'm just selecting some random supplier here, and to procure, uh, as you can see here, quantity, mandatory field quantity, how many you want to purchase it, you want to purchase for your shop. So I will just put it as 15. And procured by is something like any person in your shop who is doing or who is ordering that particular product. These many quantities I need, so it's just that one. So just make it as click on the submit button, and you want to add, yes, I want to add. Okay, product details updated successfully. Okay, so now we have procured, and if you come back and see in the product screen, it is 15, and before that, like transactions, you are getting like procurement history, and you can see here like procured date is this one, and procured by the person, and this is the quantity, and this is the supplier, product code, and product name. These things, it is automatically getting listed up, and here you can observe the units in stock is now 15. Previously, while before procuring, it was 0, and now it is 15. Here always you can see the cost price, and that is the billing price. Okay, so now I have some stock in my shop. Now if any customer comes and asks for it, I can always sell that, right? So here, if you want to sell it, just click on the sell button, and billing price. This is something like what you have to sell it to the customer, what price you want to bill to the customer. So I'm just putting what is the selling price here. So quantity, how many you want to purchase, I'll just put it as 2. And you can see the button here, add to cart. Just click on that one. You want to, yes. Okay, now it will redirect to the cart page. Here the product name, product code, and manufacturer, vehicle, and here you can see the price is 2800 into 2, so the total is 5600. Out of that, 708 is the tax, and total price is, the price for the product is 4891. That breakup is again given in the below line for the readability purpose, like total price, total tax, and total price inclusive of tax. So here, like sold by, it's again the person who is in your shop who is doing that particular transaction, and customer name is to whom you want to sell it to. I'm just entering some random name, and the address of that particular customer. Basically, this is for to maintain CRMs, or to maintain a good customer relationship, like to, if you want to send them the messages and all those kind of things. And the phone number, some random mobile number I'm entering. Okay, so like here you can see there is a select button here, and if you have multiple things you can always select, and you can see the remove, mark as sold, clear, and close. I want to sell this particular product, and I'll make it as mark as sold. Yes, so it has been updated successfully. Okay, now it will bring you back to the that particular product screen. So now as you can see, it has been decreased, like from 15 to 13. So now let us see the product transactions. So now you can see, before you had only procurement history, now you have the sales history as well. Like this is the product name, all those things are here, and quantity you have sold is 2, and to the customer, all those details has been given here. So now let us sell one more time. Now this customer is close to me, so I'm just putting whatever is the cost price, so that is 2500. So I don't want to bill him more, so it's just 2500. I don't want to keep any margin, and he will need 3 pieces. Okay, so I'm always again doing the add to cart. So now you can observe you are navigated back to the cart screen, and here 2500, and the breakup is these things, like 7500 is your total. Out of that, this is the breakup of tax and product price. So again I'm entering some customer name. Okay, so second cross BTM layout Bangalore. Okay, so some phone number I'm entering. So, okay, I'm making it as sold, so yes. Okay, so now you can see the units in stock is now 10. So what if a customer comes now and asks for the 20, so for the 20 products, so 2800 I'm putting and he's asking for the 20. So if you want to try to add it to the cart, then you will get a message like the selling quantity is more than the quantity in stock. So in that time you again have to procure the things to sell it. So yeah, so this is supply. Okay.